G'day trendsetters. Today I'd just like to go through a little bit about propagation media and what I use for propagation media. Really isn't anything that special. I do use a branded seed and cutting raising mix, but I like to amend it a little bit. I will run it through a sifter just to take out the larger particles, and I will either use horticultural sand or perlite, either way. The sand I will use if I'm propagating plants that like a lot more water, like your azaleas or a blueberry or anything, hydrangeas. I'm doing hydrangeas today and I'll be using the sand with this. Drier stuff like pelargoniums, geraniums, plants that prefer a drier climate and don't like as much water around their stems and stuff like that, I'll use a perlite because it's a lot more draining. So for today, I'll just put that one away. The sand with the seed raising mix, I believe it holds a lot more moisture, which is what some of these plants require, especially hydrangeas. Right, now all I do, I'll run this through the sieve just to take out the large particles. And what I will do, basically, I'll use this as a measure. So all I want is 3 parts, 1 part sand, 2 parts this, and that's basically my propagation media. Same with the perlite. If I was doing geranium cuttings today, I would mix the blend of a third of one of these to 2 of these, and that's about it. You can make your own if you want to. You can get coconut coir peat instead of the branded seed raising potting mix. And you can add your sand, you can even add sand and perlite, so one of those and 2 of those, whatever. Mix it up however you like. There's no hard and fast rules. This is just how I prefer to do it. So I'll mix some of this up because I've got to go and get some hydrangea cuttings, and then I'll make a video on how to take hydrangea cuttings. Okay, so I've just mixed the ratio of the buckets, 2 to 1, two of the seed raising mix and 1 of the sand. I just have to blend it through. I will say, in the past when I've bought the propagating mix, it has had a lot more coarse material in it, and I even think this one has some sand through it already, but even so, a bit more sand isn't going to hurt my cause. Beautiful. There's no compaction or anything in there, and that will hold a good amount of moisture for my cuttings. And Bob's your uncle. There you go. I can either put just the 1 cutting in that or several smaller cuttings, depends on what I'm doing. Righto, go and get some hydrangeas. I hope this was helpful. I hope you got something out of this. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers and bye for now.